Welcome back to Klein Electronics. Today we're going to be talking about the popular Curl one-wire push-to-talk earpiece built for the Sonim XP5s and XP8.
The Curl has a comfortable C-ring ear loop with a speaker that swivels to allow for right or left ear use. This over-the-ear push-to-talk earpiece is easily cleaned with antibacterial sanitizing wipes, making it hygienically sound. The Curl has an inline rugged push-to-talk button and microphone. Kevlar reinforced cables, and an adjustable clothing clip. Lab certified waterproof with a rating of IP67. Simply attach the Klein locking connector by aligning it with the device with the cable facing the top of the device. Screw it into place, and there you go.
Stay tuned for more great communication solutions from Klein.